Alright, so this is one of those exciting moments of my life when I get to build myself a new computer. Not that my old one was doing pretty bad, but I felt like it was aging and it was probably a good time to upgrade, so here we go. Let's look at the parts. So this one is an NZXT H710i mid-tower case with just a side panel and some LEDs. Then we have the Gigabyte X570 motherboard. So this one was an open box motherboard that I got off Amazon, so it doesn't have a box. We have an RM 850X power supply, a WD 6TB RAID hard drive, a Samsung 850 Pro SSD. So these two items are actually salvaged from my previous computer. I did not find a big reason to upgrade, but probably I'll get an NVMe hard drive or NVMe SSD soon enough. Then we have a Kraken X62 280mm liquid cooler, which is good enough to cool the CPU that I'll be using. And here's a big boy, the RTX 3080 Ti. And boy oh boy, I had to wait almost like 3 months to get this, and then again I had to stand in the queue for almost 20 hours. And a lot of drama, but finally got it. We have a Ryzen 5600X Zen 3 CPU. Now, many of you might say it's not worthy of this 3080 Ti, but probably I'll upgrade to a Ryzen 7 or Ryzen 9 down the road. I mean, my budget was getting tight at this stage. Finally, we have a PNY 3600 megahertz DDR4 16GB RAM that has RGB lighting with it. You know, RGB is a thing these days. So that's about it for all the parts. There are a few cables that came along with the power supply and stuff, but they're not shown here. So without further delay, let's get started with the build, and I'll come back shortly with the entire computer. Bye-bye.